Namaste. Welcome to High BP Control with Yoga Part 2. In Part 1, we learn asana sequence. Now in this Part 2, we will learn about pranayama and meditation with yoga mudras. Let's begin with basic pranayama, that is single nostril breath. Vishnu Mudra. Bend index and middle fingers and keep the other fingers upright. Inhale slowly through the left nostril, then exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Close the right nostril with your right thumb. Do 12 times with same nostril. This is one round. Close your eyes. Concentrate on Trikuti, that is space between the two eyebrows. Then inhale through the right nostril by closing the left nostril with your right ring and little fingers, and exhale very slowly through the same nostril. Do 12 times. This is one round. Do not make any sound during inhalation and exhalation. Repeat your Ishta mantra during the practice. Do this basic pranayama 3 rounds daily. Take rest for 2 minutes when one round is over. If you take a few normal breaths when one round is over, that will give you sufficient rest and you will be fresh for the next round. There is no retention in this exercise. You can increase the number of rounds according to your strength and capacity. Now, Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. Close your right nostril. Inhale through left nostril. Then close your left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. Inhale through same nostril and exhale through left nostril. Keep Vishnu Mudra in your hands. Exhalations must be longer than inhalations because carbon dioxide has a long route and travels in the opposite direction. Do not practice retention when you have high BP. This pranayama balances the right and left hemispheres of the brain, improves brain functions, balances acid and alkaline levels, brain chemicals and fluids, control blood pressure, corrects imbalances in the nasal cycle, cleans up the respiratory passages, and also relieves fatigue, anxiety, depression, sinus problems, migraine, menstrual and menopausal problems. This purifies the nervous system, energy channels, hence the name Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. It is also called Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Repeat this cycle several times for at least 10 minutes. Come out of the practice. As you inhale through your right nostril, bring your hands down and exhale through both nostrils. Prana means oxygen or vital energy or life force. Ayama means control or regulate or expand. Pranayama means regulation of life force, vital energy. Now, Kapalabhati Pranayama, skull shining breath. This pranayama lightens the skull, brings fresh glow on the face, and hence the name. A unique cleansing pranayama. The facilitates perfect flushing out of impurities through the nostrils for beginners. Place one hand on your abdomen and other on your chest. Practice one forceful out breath every second. Do it for 10 to 20 times and pause for 2 to 3 seconds and restart. After few weeks of dedicated practice, there will be ease in your practice and the pauses will reduce. You can increase the speed to 2 forcible out breaths per second. Maintain the speed throughout your practice. Relax, take few breaths and start another beginner variation. The big challenge is to keep your face, chest and shoulders free from tension. To prevent thoughts, just focus on the internal movements. People with health issues must practice slowly. After partial inhalation, exhale forcefully with sharp puffing sound by drawing your abdomen in. Like this. This pranayama is just systematic, sharp, forcible exhalations with the rapid contractions of the abdominal muscles. The toxins are perfectly removed from the cellular level through your nostrils. In this pranayama, inhalations are automatic and passive. Please do not pay attention to them. The passive inhalations help to relax the abdominal muscles and facilitate forcible exhalations with perfect rhythm. This pranayama refreshes the brain, balances chemicals and fluids, energizes all system, builds muscle and bone mass, increases stem cells in bone marrow, relieves anemia, allergies, asthma, sinus, migraine, thyroid and arthritis. Relaxation. Bend forward. Take few breaths. This pranayama also relieves low and high BP, cholesterol, heart problems, diabetes, kidney problems, menstrual and menopausal problems. Now, Bhramari Pranayama. Beast breath. Shanmukhi Mudra. Close your ears with thumb, your eyes with index and middle fingers. Place your ring and little fingers near your nostrils and below your lips. Drop your elbows downwards and focus inwards. Inhale. Om. Like this sound. Exhale through this sound. Long exhalation. Inhale. Exhalations must be slow and longer than inhalations. This pranayama refreshes and nourishes the brain, calms the mind, balances hormones, improves confidence, relieves high BP, mental stress, anxiety, depression, anger, fear, and insomnia. Relax. Do this pranayama at least 5 to 15 minutes after completion of breathing exercises and also before practice of meditation. Now, meditation with yoga mudras. Jnana mudra, knowledge seal. Sit straight and close your eyes. Press the tip of your thumb and your index finger. Keep your middle finger, ring finger and little fingers upright. This Jnana Mudra transcends ego, calms the mind, promotes wisdom, stimulates brain and pituitary gland, improves memory and sleep, relieves mental stress, migraine, controls high BP, changes negative to positive emotions, help overcome addictions. Focus on your mind and breath. Now, Apana Mudra, descending energy seal. Press the tips of your middle, ring finger and your thumb together. Keep your index finger and little finger upright. This Apana Mudra detoxifies the body and revitalizes all the systems, reduces toothache, high BP, diabetes, hemorrhoids, and also relieves indigestion, constipation, kidney and gallbladder stones, relieves prostate, menstrual, and menopausal problems. Mudras are for everyone. They awaken cosmic energies, purify mind, body, and soul. They are finger postures performed by pressing two fingers tips together, by flexing and stretching the other fingers in a particular manner. Keep your mind on focus on your breath and inward chanting Ishta mantra. Now, Surya Mudra, Sun Seal. Bend your ring finger and press your thumb over it. Keep your index, middle, and little fingers upright. This Surya Mudra raises inner heat, removes lethargy, increases balance, relieves stress, common cold, reduce cholesterol, and also relieve diabetes and high blood pressure, improves digestion, overall strength and stability. Concentrate your mind on your breath. Mudras stimulate electromagnetic energies, activate dormant nerves, correct imbalances, and heals many health problems. They are engaged during pranayama and meditation. Relax your hands and fingers. Now, Apana Vayu Mudra, descending wind seal. This is a combination of Apana and Vayu Mudra. Place your index finger as in Vayu Mudra and your middle, ring and thumb finger as in Apana Mudra. This Apana Vayu Mudra corrects imbalances in the five elements, that is fire, air, ether, earth and water, relieves cardiac problems and prevents heart attack, relieves flatulence, acidity, gastrics, migraine and joint pains, removes impurities in blood and also improves circulation. Focus on your mind, on your breath, silent meditation, simple inhalations and exhalations. This yoga sequence removes stress and tensions, calms the nerves, relax the heart and refresh the brain. The arteries and capillaries are dilated, made elastic and their functions improved. Every individual has a different personality and lifestyle. The sequence is carefully designed to relieve hypertension. It relaxes tense nerves and disturbed mind. Eat foods rich in vitamin C, that is broccoli, green leafy vegetables, red and green capsicum, apples, kiwi fruits, strawberries and oranges. Control your anger. Check your BP every month. Do this yoga sequence regularly. Thank you.